Well guys, today is the day. I am finally going to be revealing to you the new wrap on my 718 Porsche Cayman S. The car is sitting right in front of me. I can't wait to show you. I'm actually not even going to make you guys wait. Let's just go ahead and do the reveal. This is my newly wrapped Porsche 718 Cayman S. So the color I went with on my new wrap was purple. Now I was aiming to go for an ultraviolet purple like the 2016 GT3 RS, and when the color came in, it actually didn't really look like the ultraviolet purple on the GT3 RS at all. But luckily it was sort of a blessing in disguise, because the color that this car turned out is absolutely beautiful and I am completely obsessed with it. So it turned out to be more of like a lavender purple, very light, not very glossy. And when I first saw it on the roll, I was a little, iffy about it. But now that it's on the car with all the black accents, the black wheels, then we did this in black to kind of contrast and break up the purple. I think the car looks absolutely insane and I could not be happier with it. I've been driving around for the past few days since I wrapped the car, and the response from people is absolutely insane. People love this color. Everywhere I go, someone stops me and says something about the car, tells me how beautiful it is or how much they like it. And I'm so happy that people actually like the color, because obviously this is my car. I'm gonna love it, but it's nice to know that other people like it. So what do you guys think of the color? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious. I hope that it comes out good on camera. On camera, it can sometimes look a little blue. It's not blue at all. It is very, very purple. So since putting the car wrap on, I have noticed a few of the imperfections. Now, I did do the wrap myself with a few friends. It's actually not fair to say I did it myself, because it was more my friends who did the wrapping and I was there for emotional support. So I want to go ahead and thank them so much. Frankie, his Instagram's gonna be linked below, see Porsche, and then my friend Matt from GoDrive, his YouTube channel is gonna be linked below. I wouldn't have been able to do this without them and a few other friends as well. If you guys are watching this video, thank you guys so much for helping me out and making my dreams a reality by turning my car purple. I also went ahead and added the Autofluence banner to the top of my windshield, which is really cool. I hope that more people are able to find me on YouTube because of that. I know that, I've been cruising on the highway and stuff, and people have literally pulled up next to me just to tell me how cool the car is. So hopefully they see that banner and follow the channel. Talking about that, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because the videos are just gonna get crazier and crazier from here. Now I have so many things planned, so many cool adventures planned with my newly wrapped car, the Cayman S, and I can't wait to keep bringing you guys content. So make sure to subscribe, because it really does help me out and it helps the channel out a lot. So if I'm being completely honest, I actually don't have much to do today, or I really don't have much planned for this video. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send the drone up, I'm gonna put the 360 cam in the back, and we're just gonna go for a nice drive so that you guys can enjoy how awesome this car looks with the new wrap. that footage. I enjoyed making it. I tried some different angles with the GoPro 360. I want to get more creative with these videos and make them more fun and enjoyable for you guys to watch. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. I should probably get the heck out of here. I'm actually driving like that in Disney. So it's probably not the smartest place to do that. So I'm sure the cops already know that a crazy purple Porsche is driving around. So I'm gonna go ahead, end this video here and head home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.